Hello guys, welcome to this new channel which is Speed Learning 2x. So today we are going to learn about not going to learn but to going to quick revise country and capital. So first of all, comment down below that how many countries are there in the world. Not wasting much time, I'm going to tell that there are 195 countries, and out of these 195 countries, two countries are there which are not under the United nation. These two countries are not under the United Nation, and rest all 193 countries are under the United Nation. So the okay, comment down below that the name of two countries which are not under the United Nation. I'll give you 2 seconds. One, two. Now, okay, let me not waste much time. And the two countries which are under the not under the United Nation are Holy See and State of Palestine. Now, moving ahead, we are going to learn today country and capital. Not much country and capital, but it's a part one of country and capital. So today we are going to learn 16 countries and about their capital, languages, and currency name. So let's go, guys. So the first country is Afghanistan. अफगानिस्तान का कैपिटल काबुल, अफगानिस्तान की करेंसी अफगानी, एंड अफगानिस्तान का लैंग्वेज दारी पर्सियन या पाश्तो. सो हम लोग ऐसे लर्न कर सकते हैं अफगानिस्तान काबुल अफगानी दारी पर्शियन पाश्तो, अफगानिस्तान काबुल अफगानी दारी पर्शियन पाश्तो. नाउ सेकंड इज अल्बेनिया. अल्बेनिया कैपिटल इज तिराने and the currency of Albania is lek, and the language of Albania is Albanian. So Albania, Tirane, Lake, Albanian. Albania, Tirane, Lake, Albanian. Like अपने माइंड में कंट्री कैपिटल करेंसी लैंग्वेज जैसा फॉर्मेट बना रहे तो ऐसे लर्न कर सकते हैं. अल्बेनियन, Albania, Tirane, Lake, Albanian. Now moving on to the third is Algeria. Algeria, the capital of Algeria is Algiers, and the currency is dinar, and the language is Arabic, Tamazight, and French. There are three languages in Algeria, which is Arabic, Tamazight, and French. Now the fourth is Andorra. The capital of Andorra is Andorra la Vella, and the currency is euro, and the language is Catalan. Now Andorra, Andorra la Vella, euro, and Catalan. Andorra, Andorra la Vella, euro, and Catalan. Now the fifth is Angola. Angola, the capital of Angola is Luanda, and the currency of Angola is New Kawanza, and the language of Angola is Portuguese. Now moving on to sixth is Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua Barbuda का capital Saint John's, and the currency is East Caribbean dollar, and लैंग्वेज इज इंग्लिश. मतलब एंटीगिया और बारबिया में इंग्लिश बोली जाती है जो कि नॉर्मल है, तो ये लर्न करने में इजी रहेगा. नाउ द सेवेंथ इज Argentina. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires, and the currency is peso, and the language is Spanish. So Argentina, Buenos Aires, peso, Spanish. Argentina, Buenos Aires, peso, Spanish. Now the eighth one is Armenian. Armenia, the capital of Armenia is Yerevan, and the currency is dram, and the language is Armenian. Now the country Armenian capital is Yerevan, and the currency is dram, and the language is Armenian. Now moving on to the ninth is Australia. Australia तो नॉर्मल है, सबको पता होगा. कैनबरा होता है, फिर करेंसी ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर होती है और लैंग्वेजेस इंग्लिश होती है. तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कैनबरा, ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर एंड इंग्लिश. ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कैनबरा, ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर एंड इंग्लिश. नाउ टेंथ इज ऑस्ट्रिया. ऑस्ट्रिया का वेना, यूरो, जर्मन. ऑस्ट्रिया capital is Vienna. Austria currency is euro. Austria language is German. Now moving on to the 11th is Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan का बाकू capital है, currency मानत है, and language Azerbaijani. Now country Azerbaijan, Baku, Mannat, Azerbaijani. Now moving on to the 12th one is the Brahmas, Nassau, Brahmian dollar and English. The Bahamas, Nassau, Bahamian dollar and English. So okay, the 12th is the Bahamas, and the capital is Nassau. Currency is Bahamian dollar, and the language is English. The Bahamas, Nassau, Bahamian dollar, and the English. Now the 13 is Bahrain. Bahrain ka capital Manama, currency Bahrain dinar, and the language is Arabic. So Bahrain, Manama, Bahrain dinar, and Arabic. Now moving on to the 14, which is Bangladesh. Bangladesh का तो सबको easy है, सबको पता होगा. ढाका, टका, बांग्ला. Bangladesh, Dhaka, Taka, Bangla. Now moving on to the 15 is Barbados. Barbados, Bridgetown. The currency is Barbados dollar and the language is English. So country is Barbados, capital is Bridgetown, currency is Barbados dollar, and the language is English. Now moving on to the 16 is Belarus. Belarus का capital Minsk, currency is Belarusian ruble, and the language is Belarusian Russian. So अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पूरा रिवाइज करेंगे जल्दी जल्दी. Now since it is a 2x learning channel, so we will revise with 2x speed. Now Afghanistan, Kabul, Afghani, Dari, Persian or Pashto. Afghanistan, Kabul, Afghani, Dari, Persian and Pashto. Albania, Albania, Tirane, Lake, Albanian. Albania, Tirane, Lake, Albanian. Now moving on to the third, Algeria, Algiers, Dinar, Arabic, Tamazai or French. Algeria, Algiers, Dinar, Arabic, Tamazai and French. Now Andorra, Andorra la Vella, Euro, Catalan. Andorra, Andorra la Vella, Euro, Catalan. Now moving on, fifth is Angola, Angola, Luanda, New Kavanza and Portuguese. Angola, Luanda, New Kavanza, and Portuguese. Now moving on to six is Antigua and Barbuda. Now St. John, East Caribbean dollar, English. St. John, East Caribbean dollar, English. Now Argentina, Buenos Aires, peso, Spanish. Argentina, Buenos Aires, peso, Spanish. Now Armenia, Yerevan, drum, and Armenian. Armenia, Yerevan, drum, Armenian. Austria, Australia, Canberra, Australian dollar, English. Australia, Canberra, Australian dollar, English. Austria, Vienna, Euro, German. Austria, Vienna, Euro, German. Now, Azerbaijan, Baku, Mannat, Azerbaijani. Azerbaijan, Baku, Mannat, Azerbaijani. Now, Bahamas, Nassau, Bahamian dollar, English. Bahamas, Nassau, Bahamian dollar, English. Bahrain, Manama, Bahrain dinar, Arabic. Bahrain, Manama, Bahrain dinar, Arabic. Bangladesh, Dhaka, Taka, Bangladesh. Bangladesh, Dhaka, Taka, Bangla. Now, Barbados, Bridgetown, Barbados dollar, English. Barbados, Bridgetown, Barbados dollar, English. Now, 16 is Belarus, Minsk, Belarusian ruble, Belarusian Russian. Belarus, Minsk, Belarusian ruble, Belarusian Russian. Hope you like this video. So thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great day. We will do